We are monitoring right now for set trip roll call resulta. You listen for the radio right now. That is how the radio communications was developed into highly civilized that the PNP adapt.
About 2574, can you show me your vehicle with the camera? Okay, hello. Okay, sige, tango.
So, by the command of the officer of the day of the DNPPO, so we need to call out our patrollers in the field. And also we asking for the permissions first before we call out our mobile patrollers. So it is not easy when we are a dispatcher for this. So we need to ask the cooperations of the patrollers in the field. Kasi they don't have any one of those things that we are need is the cooperations. If there is no cooperation happen, and then our task here is become useless. It's become useless. So that's why that if we are on this types of work, it's so crucial. There is a lot of calls that you experience. You have a lot of call coming from here in the cell phone and many others. You don't have enough sleep here. So that's why most of all the personnel that we need to ask a cooperation. If there is nothing cooperation here, we are ituta. We are tuta here. So that's why if those personnel in the field who are deployed as a patrollers and then they don't have any cooperations to the radio operator, much the better you step down and we step down here. So we are strict to the line because the protocols that we are following here, it's very crucial at the same time. Because we are following a analog to digital types of communications that was developed by the PNP right now. It was adopted by the PNP. So I do not think to everyone that there is a cooperation. It's most especially for the seniors who are deployed in the field. We do not think about that. No? No, the set trip was already continuing.
Kaliw ko log in sa inyo, ay kaliw ko indicate sa inyong mga pangalan sa kuan sa inyong indicate ang pangalan sa duty board, makiligin na inyong house. Nakuha niyo mo madaling.
Sige lang kayo.
M1, too many. Doppler motor cups 1. Doppler motor cups 1 is cardinal.
Process for Doppler, which is Panabo.